Welcome everybody to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into choosing the best food for your new puppy. Just like with human babies, a healthy start in life begins with the right nutrition. We're talking about giving your puppy the energy to grow, play, and learn, and building a strong foundation for a long and happy life together. Choosing the wrong food can lead to health problems down the line, and we definitely don't want that. So whether you're bringing home a playful Labrador, a curious Beagle, or any other adorable breed, stick around as we unveil my top 5 picks for the best puppy foods on the market. Let's get started. First up, we have Blue Buffalo Life Protection Puppy Food. This brand is known for its high-quality ingredients, featuring real meat as the first ingredient, crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass. Blue Buffalo focuses on life source bits, a blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, like a superfood boost for your pup. We're talking about strengthened immunity, a healthy coat, and overall well-being. Blue Buffalo comes in a variety of flavors to satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. They include prebiotics and probiotics in their formula to help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Transitioning your puppy to a new food should always be done gradually, and Blue Buffalo makes it easy with clear feeding guidelines on their packaging. Always start with small portions and gradually increase the amount as your puppy adjusts. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate feeding amount for your puppy's breed, age, and activity level. Every puppy is unique, and their nutritional needs can vary. Overall, Blue Buffalo Life Protection Puppy food is a fantastic option for pet parents who prioritize high-quality ingredients and balanced nutrition. Next on our list, we have Wellness Complete Health Puppy Food, another excellent option for your growing companion. This brand is known for its holistic approach to pet nutrition, focusing on whole body health. Wellness Complete Health is packed with protein from premium sources like chicken, salmon, and whitefish. What sets Wellness apart is their inclusion of fruits and vegetables like blueberries, spinach, and carrots. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your puppy's overall health and vitality. Wellness includes healthy fats like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, crucial for brain development, cognitive function, and maintaining healthy skin and coat. Wellness Complete Health also avoids common allergens like corn, wheat, and soy, making it a great option for puppies with sensitive stomachs. Just like with any new food, always transition your puppy gradually to Wellness Complete Health. Start by mixing a small amount with their current food and gradually increase the ratio over the course of a week or so. If you notice anything unusual, it's always best to consult with your veterinarian. Now let's talk about a brand that's been trusted by veterinarians for decades, Hill's Science Diet Puppy Food. This brand is known for its science-backed formulas that are specifically designed to meet the unique needs of growing puppies. Hill's Science Diet is committed to using high-quality ingredients that are easy to digest and provide optimal nutrition. They offer a wide range of formulas tailored to different breed sizes and life stages. Hill's Science Diet focuses on controlled calorie content, crucial for preventing obesity and joint problems later in life. They include DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid essential for brain and eye development. Hill's Science Diet includes optimal levels of calcium and phosphorus to support healthy bone development. They offer specialized formulas for puppies with specific needs, such as sensitive skin, food sensitivities, or urinary health concerns. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the best formula for your puppy's individual needs. Overall, Hill's Science Diet Puppy food is a reliable choice for pet parents who want a science-backed formula that supports their puppy's overall health. Moving on, we have Royal Canin Puppy Food, a brand known for its breed-specific formulas. Different breeds have different nutritional needs, and Royal Canin understands this. Whether you have a tiny Chihuahua or a giant Great Dane, Royal Canin has a formula tailored to their specific size, energy levels, and growth rate. Royal Canin also pays close attention to kibble size and shape, promoting dental health and preventing choking hazards. They include prebiotics and highly digestible proteins in their formulas to support a healthy gut microbiome and reduce digestive upset. Royal Canin offers specialized formulas for puppies with specific dietary sensitivities or health concerns. Their formulas are often recommended by breeders and veterinarians, especially for puppies with specific dietary needs. Remember, choosing the right food for your puppy is a journey, not a race. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the best brand and formula for your puppy's individual needs. Royal Canin Puppy Food ensures your puppy gets the right balance of nutrients for their breed. Last but not least, we have Purina Pro Plan Puppy Food, a brand that's been a staple in the pet food industry for years. Purina Pro Plan is known for its combination of high-quality ingredients and affordability. They use real meat as the first ingredient in all of their puppy formulas, providing essential amino acids for muscle growth and development. Purina Pro Plan includes a blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to support your puppy's immune system, promote healthy digestion, and maintain a shiny coat. They include guaranteed levels of DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid crucial for brain and vision development. Purina Pro Plan offers a variety of formulas to meet the needs of different puppy breeds and lifestyles. They have formulas for large breed puppies, small breed puppies, and puppies with sensitive stomachs. Overall, Purina Pro Plan. Puppy food is a solid choice for pet parents looking for a balance of quality and affordability. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the best formula for your puppy's individual needs. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 picks for the best puppy foods on the market. Remember, choosing the right food is crucial for setting your puppy up for a long, healthy, and happy life. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more pawsome pet care tips, and leave a comment below letting me know which puppy food you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and remember, a tired dog is a happy dog.